What's up, Artist Army? You guys have been asking for a tutorial? We just hit 1 million, so here it is. Let's get it.
Yo, it's Kuza, and I'ma teach you how to draw like ZHC. Yeah. So there's a couple tools I think we should go over. Comic artboard and a Stedler lead holder. 2mm, we don't like a lead too flimsy, cause we just hit 1 mil, but we tryna get 2 milli. Got an eraser that's electric like Zapdos, also needed and clicky, better let the cash go. So if I make a mistake, then I don't need it, I delete it. I'ma make it disappear like I am Thanos. Once you got the right materials, then it's time to draw. Measure out the figure and it should be a heads tall. Break it into basic shapes and make sure you cover it all, cause the center is the crotch and now we ready to ball. Now you start with the biggest of parts. Rib cage in the 6th and the 7th marks. For the spine, draw an S like for Superman. There ain't nobody fly like your boy Kid Kuza, man. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. Spit a couple bars, yeah, I'ma make it go hard. Don't mess with the Artist Army, we the best of them all. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. 900K in a year, so you know who we are. And we better get 1 milli, cause we rockin' like stars. Draw 2 lines from the ribs to the hips to make the torso. Circles for the elbows and the shoulders. Head is an oval, cylinder for arms and legs. Square and triangle hands, and the foot is a wedge. Now we kicking the haters all out of the way, grinding through all of the pain. So after you're done with the shapes, we draw in the features and muscles and all of the gains. Yeah, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Put a target on my foes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Draw across for where it goes. Forearm extensors, moving fingers forward and back, cause we killing up with kindness, we pulling triggers for that. Draw a line to the side, split into 3 sections for abs. Checkered lines for the serratus and draw a line for the lats. Now the legs got 3 muscles that look like drops to the tap. And under that, make sure you don't forget the knees with the caps. But no cap, hope these bars don't go over your head. If you hating, then you biting off more than I'd recommend. We don't care about the hate, we feed off it instead, cause haters be so jelly when we getting that bread. So get your legs right before I cross you up like Iverson. Small extensor muscles all around the shin. Make sure that one side of the ankles is higher than the other, cause if not, I'ma break some more ankles again. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. Spit a couple bars, yeah, I'ma make it go hard. Don't mess with the Artist Army, we the best of them all. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. Yeah, I'ma show you how to draw. 900K in a year, so you know who we are. And we better get 1 milli, cause we rockin' like stars. Use the kneaded eraser to lighten up the lines. Then the lead pointer sharpens the pencil to make it fine. Then trace the figure, you better take your time. Use line weight, thicken lines that turn away from light. Then only trace the muscles that turn away from the light. Start with the head and make your way down and make sure that it's right. With the basic figure, now it's time to shade. Put a light on the upper left corner of the page. Every object and everything that turns away from the light will be shadowed like it's night and day. Triangles on every muscle and then draw in the shadows to define the shapes. We call it negative space. Now the last thing left is crisscrossing, cross-hatching, going dark to light like Michael Jackson. Add the final details, sign it like famous men, then hang it up like a painting and you could do it again. Yeah.
Artists need the respect they deserve. This one goes out to all my fellow artists on the daily grind. Sketch, Lil Z, King of Art. Artist problem. Have you ever heard of those? Got these artists thinking about the problems that arose. I go through artist poems, I go through them every day, and I never stop drawing. I'm in art school graduation. They make lots of requests for the stuff they want to see, always asking me to draw them till they find out it's not free. My supplies are so expensive and the workload is intensive. Their stuff is sounding suspensive. For critiques I get defensive. Listen here, I use charcoal, it's a mess, always smudges. Know the drawings tend to smear, cause the paper always budges. Go too long, I injured my arm. Got the pens in my hand, then I draw the firearm. And when I start to draw, I just stare in awe. You see what I saw? You laugh and say ha ha. I start to clench my jaw. You say, is that a paw? Do not laugh at me, it's a chihuahua. I use lead, it breaks, happens every time. It sucks like this rap, I just have to rhyme. Should I color this? I don't know. Coloring just made it worse. What? Oh no! I drew one eye, it looks fantastic. Ew, here's the other one, the difference is so drastic. What? Doodles in class looking good, pretty decent. In my art class, I can't draw, it was recent. When I paint, I make a mess on my nice clothes. All the people point at me, they say one of those are bought. You say, I say nay, every day, it's okay. You got an A in art class painting the right way. Think your art is pretty good, right after you drew it. How about now, gonna rip it, it looks bad, cannot do it. I got a new sketchbook, don't know how to start it. Can't ruin the first page, not even a little bit. I can't draw how people race. Some of us struggle because we can draw the head but not the face. Those are some artist poems that I could think of, but we keep doing it because it is what we love.
Everybody going up, but I'm going too well. I don't even give a f what I'm doing, who cares? I've been thinking that I'm nuts, but who isn't? I stare screaming help, oh well. Everybody going up, but I'm going too well. I don't even give a f what I'm doing, who cares? I've been thinking that I'm nuts, but who isn't? I stare screaming.
It started on a Sunday and I was just doing nothing but partying up with some people I knew enough. I'm just looking at things with sweaty bodies going scheming. They be praising me, I'm dreaming cause I made it now. Something at least, I think I am, that's what they say I am. Not playing, man, I'm just doing everything that I fucking can. I don't even know what's just going on, but they thinking, looking at me like I am money. Shut up and now they speaking fake, so I'll be drinking it up and then some. Hinting I'm done, they think I'm booked to keep talking. I'm hostage, but sponsors pay my ransom. I'm just an artist, astonished by all the offers are coming. But if I'm honest, now harder to start a fucking combo. Am I having fun? Yes, but damn, I'm also not. Just people going on and thinking nothing but ducking problems, assuming some wealth, but they summon dozens of crummy demons. They done it, go f themselves as they come and screaming help, oh well. Everybody going up, but I'm going too well. I don't even give a what I'm doing, who cares? I've been thinking that I'm nuts, but who isn't? I stare screaming help, oh well. Everybody going up, but I'm going too well. I don't even give a what I'm doing, who cares? I've been thinking that I'm nuts, but who isn't? I stare screaming. Winds are coming someday, I said, baby hits. Getting some dummy, I am lost, oh shit. All alone, I ponder, wonder if I'm ever gonna find some. Never thought it could get harder. Happens when you're evil. Hello, can there be a window? Adam, you're great, you can make me wanna explode. Hey, since I got you, shout me out and then I'll meet grow. Wait, what the fuck did you just tell me? Fucking heck no, go! Hello, can there be a window? Everybody looking at me making this joke. I get sick of it, I think I'm going mental. Can't even make some friends just sinking in the same boat. I know hell. Angry, mad at the world, I'm freaking, I know it's absurd, but these are the things that keeping me up, my demons. I'm pushing most people away despite the fact that some great just used to an industry of manipulate. Every time I'm doing it often, then often find myself huffing and puffing. I'm busting, my eyes are blinking. Pretty immature, need to try something different. I'm missing when things were simple, but hear me listen. I never stop pursuing what I fucking love. I'm doing everything I can and making sure I rise above. But sometimes I feel like it's something going off the wall behind. I'm just a young and built this stuff alone and so sword I think I'm holding, screaming help, oh well. Everybody going up, but I'm going too well. I don't even give a what I'm doing, who cares? I've been thinking that I'm nuts, but who isn't? I stare screaming help, oh well. Everybody going up, but I'm going too well. I don't even give a what I'm doing, who cares? I've been thinking that I'm nuts, but who isn't? I stare screaming help, oh I need help, I need help, oh I need
Once a pig built up a house. The house was a straw that he bought from the town. One day a wolf came and saw the little pig. He came to the pig store and then the wolf said, little pig, let me in. Not by the hairs of my chin. So I huffed and I puffed and I blew that thing down. Next thing I knew he was running around, so I chased that pig down. Wanted some bacon, so I had to go to his big brother's house and I blew that thing down. Little Red Riding Hood didn't ride home, so I'm after you now. I'm a real alpha wolf, this ain't little Bo Peep. Don't try and cry wolf, I ain't here for no sheep. No McDonald's money, so y'all are my treat. And if we do the race, all I need is some cleats. Run to the market, pig, you can run home. Go get your roast beef, but I'll catch you for show. You look like a snack and I don't mean you're cute, but I bet you look good with some veggies and fruit. Little pig, you're sweating, just take a little break. Just make this thing easy and hop on my plate. I'm trying to get home to play Fortnite today, and I can't come back late, mama wolf doesn't play. Pig told the wolf, well I'm leaving. Mama ain't make me this thick to be eaten. You're big and bad to my big